Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Eapmic Color Change LED Lights 12-volt 45-watt. Eapmic Pool Light is great for high and low bay, swimming pools, and wherever high output lighting is needed. 7 fixed colors and lighting models supplied through remote and switch control. It has completely sealed design, high temperature resistance to maintain reliability and durability. IP68 waterproof with epoxy filled inside to make it 100% waterproof. Long working life up to 50,000 working hours. Overcurrent protection, high stability. And it's fashionable, creative, and a very useful accessory. Features: perfect compatibility, RGB color changing and switch remote design, high quality PC lamp body, low power consumption, 12 volt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.